Okay, so this week we are starting to review for our math tests on Friday. Our I can statement for today is I can use tally marks to collect data and identify the different tally marks. So, today we're going to start with centers at the tables. There is going to be they're light games, but they're a little bit different. There's going to be cards on here that just say words. So this is one center. This is it's a little bit winterish. It's a little bit warm right now, so we kind of need the cool weather. So on here, there is all these different cards. You guys will be in groups, so you'll be able to help each other. What you're going to do, you're going to look at the tally marks. So if we look at this one right here, what number is this showing by raising your hand? Raising your hand. Zoe, it's showing 5. So what you're going to do, you're going to look through, and these will be spread out on the table. So you're going to, because there's the tally marks, and then our 10 friend that we kind of talked about. What number does this one show right here? It shows 1. What does this show for tally mark? 1. So those two would go together, and then there's also, what does this show? It's 1. It's the number 1 written out in words. So those 3 would go together. So those are going to be mixed up at one table for you to practice the tally marks and even identifying the words. Another one that you're going to use our iPads for, if you look up here at the screen, you see that it says write the number in each box that matches the tally marks on the card with the same number. So on the table, there's going to be little cards. You're going to count the total tally marks. I know some of them are kind of circled in red, but that's to show you that if there's 2 groups of 5 tally marks, how many does that equal?
5. 10.
It equals 10. So that's kind of helping you to show you that that's 10. So you're going to, so if we do number 1 together, if we look at this card, how many is it showing by looking at this card?
10.
All together, what's it showing by raising your hand? By raising your hand. Louise? It's showing 25. So you look at the 1 down here, and you're going to look at the worksheet. You're going to use your pencil, and you're going to write 25 on the 1. So this is on class kick. I'll erase it, but you're going to do that for every single one. Okay, thank you, Charles, for following directions, reading, movie, working on things like this, okay? Okay, so that's one that you're going to be doing on here. Another one is, we've been using our dice to help us practice and do tally marks. So what you guys are going to do today, this one's a little bit different. You guys are going to get a dice. You're going to roll it. Penelope, will you tell me what number that is?
5.
So 5. So on the second page of your class kit, you're going to find the 5 dice on here, and you're going to mark a 1 on there to say you rolled a 5 once. So then you're going to roll the dice again. What is it that time, Penelope?
6.
So it's a 6. So let's just say I rolled a 6 again. What would I do? Would I just put it in a different column, or where would I put it?
In the same column.
In this same column, the 6. So you're going to do that. Let's say though I get 5. Do I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Is that the correct way to show 5?
No.
No. What's the correct way to show 5?
Put 1 more. Like zig. This way.
You're going to put the diagonal line through it, and I'm doing this on my computer, so it's a little bit trickier. I'm used to doing it on my iPad. So it will look like this. It'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoops. Okay. Well, that is listen up. So that's what we're going to. So today, we're going to have centers set up around the tables. I am going to be pulling some people. I'm going to be pulling some people to be working at my back table with me. But before I do that, I'm going to be going around and making sure our centers are set up. So I'm going to separate you guys into groups. You guys, I'm going to hand out your iPads so we have those. And I'll have someone help me with that. And then we're going to start our centers. Okay, Lily, you can stop recording.